Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can send WhatsApp messages through Zoho CRM. So let's get right into it. Now, to actually send messages through the CRM, what you need to do is integrate WhatsApp into your CRM account, program, call it whatever you want. And to do so, you're going to need a Facebook business account as well as a WhatsApp account. Now, because I don't have either of those accounts, I will be using this guide over here on the business integration. And what you need to do first is go to setup and go to channels and go to business messaging. And from there, click integrate under the details of WhatsApp. Then in the access page, you're going to need to log in with your business manager credentials and then click get started. Then you're going to need to click continue to give permission, create or log into an existing account for a Facebook business. Then the same for WhatsApp business accounts, just log in or select a one that already exists, click continue. Then you're also going to need to authorize another one to create your business profile, and then you click continue again. Then you need to verify your WhatsApp business number, click OK on the next screen, and then you need to configure a couple of different things. Now, once the pop-up comes up on your screen, you're going to need to provide the nickname for your business profile on CRM and select a phone number to associate with it. Then you're going to need to provide once more the nickname, and then you're going to need to provide the account preferences, choosing from the drop down options you have. You can choose leads or contacts. Then you can assign this to users, groups, or roles, and then choose the users, groups, or roles that you want to use. Then you just click save, and then you're integrated. Then you can do a couple of different things. You do need to buy credits or auto recharge on credits depending on what you want to actually be able to use this integration, so keep that in mind. And then you can work with the messages tab. Now in this module, you can set the following filters to filter through the messages: either not replied, replied, message time, record owner, or replied by. And you can also set a view for the module to see that all the messages that are unreplied. Then you can also receive notifications for your business messages, which you can then answer to just by clicking on those notifications. And that's how you send messages through the Zoho CRM. And you can also do a couple of different things, such as automate it or automate it. However, I'm not that proficient in it, and it's a bit more complex, so I'm just going to skip it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.